Okay, today I'm going to show you how to replace the dome light bulb in your Jeep Wrangler 2007, 2011, maybe even higher if it looks like this one. I know it's a simple little video, but these things cost about $35, $40, and the reason why they cost so much is because people keep breaking them. There's a certain way to take the little lens out to replace the bulb. You can't just pry it either way. You'll just crack it, and then it's going to look like, not going to look good. I'll show you how to do that. Okay, basically, here, this is the front of the car. You're going to be on the passenger side. Put the seat back, lay it back. And this side is where you want to just put a little screwdriver in. You'll see a tab here. And you just put it in very slightly, especially when it's cold out. And pry it down. Okay, don't pry the other side. That has a little hinge. I'll show you. And then, what you do is just put it in there. Very so carefully. You see how it felt? So now, if you were to pry on the other side, you would break it. And they don't just sell this little lens by itself. You have to buy the whole thing for $40. I know it's a little simple thing, but it's a little quick tip. I'm going to be replacing this bulb with an LED because it's a little dim, so it's the only light in this car. So I'm going to put an LED in there, and I'll show you what that looks like. Okay, I picked up this brand on Amazon. I'll give a link below, Yorkim. A lot of people have been using these. There's a good rating on them, so I figure I'll try it. It's only for an interior bulb. This is the little LED. It's got a heat sink in the back, and it should last a long time. And this is the one that's replacing the little regular incandescent one. So basically, just put it back in, and just clip that thing back on. It's very easy. Okay, look how bright that is compared to the one at the beginning of the video. Nice and bright. Like I said, on this particular Jeep, this is the only light you got, so at night, it comes in pretty handy. Okay, and you just basically, clip it back up, and that's it. But the main thing was like, it's a little lens, just, pry from anywhere, and they break, and they're so expensive. So I figured, a little quick tip. I didn't break it, but I had a friend of mine who broke his, and I figured, well, let me do a video, help people out so they don't, you can spend the $30 on something else, I'm sure. All right, guys, Motorcar Nut 2020, please subscribe, like the video, and I'm going to have tons more videos in the future, as I keep saying, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.